Gemini is Google's free LLM, kind of like OpenAI's ChatGPT. But unlike ChatGPT, you can get free API access to Gemini as a developer as long as you don't make too many calls, like more than 1,500 per minute. This essentially gives you the ability to write scripts and programs that need LLM access as long as it has an internet connection and access to a Google account. There's nothing revolutionary in this video, and the situation may change in the future, but as of late 2024, Gemini's API is free for limited use, as I've described, unlike OpenAI's models. So please don't complain to me if you're watching this in, say, 2030 if the situation's changed. Anyways, you'll want to open the notebook in the video description. No, it's Google's notebook, not mine. Anyways, let's get started and let's run this cell here to install the requirements. And it's going to connect to the notebook first since I haven't been running this notebook prior to the video. So this might take a few minutes. Not a big deal. Let's wait for it to install. Okay, once this installation here is complete, you want to go here and get an API key. So click here, it'll open up a new window. So let's consent to the legal notice here. And you might get to this point. You may have another part where it says to either get an AI studio or something. Don't do that. Just go and get the API key. So go here, create an API key. It'll take some time to generate it here, but let's wait until it's done. Okay, it's done. So we copy this. We copy it to our clipboard. If you already had a key and you want to generate another one, you just go here, create an API key again. And you can just, for project names, just select Gemini API. But we've copied the previous key. Now we go back to this notebook. Click the key icon here, add new secret. And you can paste the value of the key into the value here. I'm not going to reveal my key, so I'm going to paste it off screen. Okay, so I've pasted it in, and you can't see the whole key here since I only have the first part, so you're not going to be able to use my key anyways. And for name, just copy and paste Google API key from the notebook into the field here. And then once you have that all done, don't go to this Gemini API key area, just do it here. And then you just click this to enable the key. And now once that's enabled, you want to run this cell here, where it'll get the key from your secrets. And then here you want to initialize your model, and then you generate some text here. Let's see if this works. This is not our final product. This is just a test to see if it's running. And if it generates text here, that means your key is working. And we can move on to whatever video I'm showing you right now. And I probably told you to come to this video to set up your key. So we can continue, we can go on wherever you are right now. Anyways, please like and subscribe this video for more content. Thank you.